your MP suspended because he clearly crossed a certain boundary when he snatched the paper, the speech of the IT minister yesterday and tore it apart. How can you justify this behavior? Mr. O'Brien.
After the House was adjourned yesterday, I'm listening to you. I heard your question. After the House was adjourned yesterday, a lot of other things happened. Don't take Trinamool Congress's word for it, because you might think because it's a Trinamool Congress MP. There was some serious breach happened after the House was adjourned yesterday. We will present 10 opposition MPs, not one, 10 opposition MPs, to put out the truth about what happened in Rajya Sabha.
No, tell us
Please
the truth.
understand the bigger issue here.
Please tell us the truth first. We'll come to the bigger issue.
Yes. We wanted a discussion. The truth is that we wanted a structured discussion in both houses of parliament. That is one. BJP were running away from a structured discussion. We wanted the Prime Minister, we want the Home Minister to come and answer these questions. Now, why? Why? What is Pegasus? This is not a video game. You've using espionage warfare against your own citizens. 2, using military software against media, your opponents, your colleagues, and the judiciary. 3, setting up a surveillance state. This is an irrefutable crime. Who are the criminals? As parliamentarians, we want this government to be answerable on these issues.
You have every right to demand accountability. You have no right to tear the speech of the IT minister in parliament. Your MP has been suspended, and this is not the first time that this has happened. So clearly you are seen as a party which in parliament is determined in a way to stretch the boundaries of acceptable behavior.
Absolutely not. I'll give you another example, which is a badge of honor, Mr. Sardesai. You're talking about badge unacceptable behavior. Wait, please go back on the farm laws. 7 of us got suspended.
That's right.
3 from the Congress party, 2 from the Trinamool Congress, 2 from the left. Let me finish. 2 from the left. Why? Because the government didn't allow us, didn't give us our right to have a division. So what happened? We got suspended. So we went out and sat next to Gandhi statue. What has happened now on the farm laws? What has happened on the farm laws? BJP mustn't teach us about parliament, because we can give them a tutorial on parliament. Modi and Shah don't understand parliament, and Arun Jaitley, may his soul rest in peace, is not there to give them. He used to actually, I think, give them some direction. BJP couldn't care less about parliament. This is the same BJP. Let me give you statistics. No rhetoric. UPA 1, 60% of bills were scrutinized. UPA 2, Trinamool was not part of the government. Congress led it. 70% of bills were scrutinized in parliament. Modi 1, 25% of bills were scrutinized. Modi 2, 11% of bills were scrutinized. So don't give me lectures from BJP about how to run parliament and what is propriety and what is not parliamentarian. They don't have a clue about running parliament. They want to ruin every institution in India. And why? Why are they running away from? We want parliament to run. All opposition parties want parliament to